We're gonna do an unboxing of this Forgeworld Warlord Titan that I purchased from the Warhammer store in Tokyo, Japan. This is a birthday gift for myself, so that's really exciting. I also have the Mechanica soundtrack and playing in the background for maximum effect. So this box is not small and it's also not light. So you can see the stuff is really well packaged. Plastic is very thick. Ziplocs, solid. Everything is neatly placed, and they made it from Japan to Cebu in one piece. Well, there's a lot of pieces, but you get the drift. So I'd say their packaging is exceptional, and for something of this price point, I definitely expect packaging to be just high quality. Just a few pieces here, small pieces, and then as I get through the individually packed pieces, I'm sure that's going to be the larger parts. Seem really well made. The cast is very clean, very high detail, as I'd expect for a kit this expensive. And honestly, even if this kit was trash, I would still buy this, no questions asked. So this is a massive vent piece, and it looks like this does have some of the parts that I'm sure you gotta clean up, and all the mold lines, all the pieces that have to be cut off. Now as we get to the bottom of the pile, we're gonna see some individually wrapped, or a lot of individually wrapped pieces that are the larger parts, and again, they're just, the detail is really nice and clean. Obviously, a model this size, I expect to see a lot of these big pieces. Here's another big piece, and oh man, this just looks like so much fun to paint and detail paint everything. This is my first time really doing an unboxing video. This might be kind of trash, but whatever. It's just going through the box because I know people wanted to see it, and it might be a while before I take this to Elysium, so we'll do a quick overview of the box. Don't have to go through the rest of the box because this is pretty much just like more and more pieces, as you can imagine. And I think this big chunk here is part of the leg plate, I'd imagine. So yeah, that's a huge guy. Now I think here's the cool stuff, important stuff. So I imagine instructions and documentation for the Warlord Titan birth certificate kind of stuff. It says how to build your resin model, tools that you need, supplies, how to prepare, all that good stuff. Apparently you can't just duct tape this thing together. Who knew? And here's the instruction sheet, and fuck that. Oh wait, I actually really needed that, so yeah. Looks easy enough. I'm pretty sure on YouTube videos they show this being a 2-hour project. Yeah, so there's the good stuff. And then, as you know, all Titan parts other than the body come separately, so we've got the head and weapon options, Bellicosa Volcano Cannon you can add, which I'm definitely going to have for another cool $120 or so. Thanks, GW. Now, here's the birth certificate that, I probably managed to fuck this up. Probably $100 to reorder something like this. I don't know. So now it says a fabricator general has decreed that your army may deploy the might of a Warlord Titan. Basically, big bad robot, go stompy stomp. Now the rest of the box, the second box, is just a little less exciting without the paperwork and instructions. So basically just more pieces, you know, Ziploc bags of the same pieces and bubble wrapped big pieces. So it's pretty much just two big whole boxes of tiny parts. That's it. Hopefully I get to bring this to the store soon and y'all get to see this in progress. Really excited to start building this thing. Alright, I think that's it. So thanks for watching this unboxing video. If you enjoyed it, do whatever you need to do. If you hated it, you can go suck it. Alright, see ya.